All right, folks, we got a new business we started called Idaho Fat Boy Tree Trimming Company. And you always remember your safety goggles first. That's the first thing you want to keep safe. Second thing is tie a couple lassos around the branch that you want to pull down, and then you make yourself a loop, and then you put your fat boy self in the loop, and then you take a run for it, and then you get that feller down. Here we go. All right. Make it nice and tight here. Get it around your tummy. And we say, give me a countdown, boys. 1, 2, 3. Well, sometimes that baling twine doesn't work too well, so we'll take 2 here. We'll be right back with you. 1, 2, 3. Go. We're going. Here we go. There we go, here we go, we got it! Yay! That's how we do it here at Idaho Fat Boy Tree Trimming Company. Thank you, fellas, for tuning in. All right, folks, here's another rendition of Idaho Fat Boy Tree Trimming Company. Remember, safety first, fellas. Here we go. Give me a countdown, boys.
1, 2, 3.
We got it, boys. Here we go. Ooh! Had a little too much heft on that one. Let's take 2. Here we go. All right, folks. Here we go. We got another rendition here. The first one I got pulling too hard on the baling line there. Probably should be using some of that fancy water skiing rope or something like that. But we ain't got nothing like that around here at Hillbilly Park. So I'm gonna get to pulling here and see what we can do here. Here we go.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all right. We wanted to get it over the house, past the house, but didn't quite do it. But we got her down, so we'll keep on a trucking.